Good morning from Ilion Beach Hotel in Gerani, Crete, Greece, of course. And with the view from the balcony, the sea view, and the pool, it's time to head to the beach. Yes, this is my etage apartment on 2 floors here in this 4-star hotel. And let's see how is the beach. It is 10:30 in the morning. I arrived here yesterday around 1 a.m. as I had a late flight and I got into sleep around 2:30, I think. And yeah, I had coffee and some small breakfast, and it's time to check out the beach. The main thing, the main factor why I'm here in Crete. See? Yeah, it looks nice. This is, I'm staying at a etage apartment, and there are actually exits from both sides. So you can go from both ends. But yeah, let's check out the hotel together. And I just thought that I forgot something. Let's see. All right, let's go. And as I mentioned, 4-star hotel. And there is even a buffet restaurant for breakfast. There's the reception over there. And this is the pool. Look at the pool. It looks stunning. Lots and lots of free sunbeds. And that's the way to the beach. I can see my apartment from here. It has a very nice sea view. And very interesting way to the beach. Yeah, it is. This is actually my 4th time on the island of Crete. First time was when I was a child with my parents, 2001 I think it was. Then we took the ferry from Athens to Heraklion, which is the capital city of the island. And it was during the high summer back then. And then I went to Makrigelos on the southeast coast of the island in 2023, so 3 years ago. And 2 years ago I was on the same coast here at Hania, but at Agia Marina. Gerani is actually just very close to Agia Marina actually. And this should be here a sports center, but I guess it's not open yet, it seems. It looks like quite a new hotel actually. Or is it open? There are some extra bathrooms over here. It seems like the sports center is not open, I believe. Or did I miss the real entrance? Nope. Sports center is not opened. There might be some other sports center, but let's head to the beach. That was the main purpose of this video. And yeah, it's close to gym. So Ilion Hotel, 4-star hotel, and there are even more sunbeds here on this end. And yes, it's a wing hotel. And there is a logo there for Wing, Schellebor and Spice. And yes, we are now at the beach. The hotel is technically on the beach, just there is a larger area in between. And the sunbeds in the hotel are for free. The sunbeds on the beach are €8 per sunbed, which is quite a lot. And today we have waves. Very big beach indeed. And nobody is swimming currently on the beach. Here we have, okay, 2 sunbeds with an umbrella. €8 is for the whole package. Oh my god. It's actually not my first time in Gerani. I was here some time back. And it feels amazing. It's a very big beach. And parts of it also can be noted that they do this beach also, as it is quite off from everything. Especially when there is no hotel in the end. So yeah, that's the beach here in front of Ilion Beach Hotel in Gerani, and I'm so eager to go in for my first swim here on the beach. So let's get ready, and thank you so much for following my beach adventures, and make sure to tune in for more content from Gerani and Hania, Crete, on the channel Beach Adventures with Crete.